How I made 50,000 naira in 12 hours from items I bought at 36,000 naira in Lagos. Yeah, you heard me right. As a YouTuber and a content creator, the other good way I choose to make small money or small cash for myself in Nigeria is through e-commerce. And I don't even do this in a big way, unlike many guys making millions in it, who do Facebook ads and all that to promote their goods. So how did I make this money in 12 hours, you may want to ask? Well, I was online one day and I saw these kids learning gadgets and I got interested. I wanted to buy for my daughter actually, but something told me I could do more than just buying one. So I actually was like, okay, I'm interested in this, and I searched for a supplier in Lagos, and I got a woman with the cheapest price ever. So I sampled a lot of sellers, I sampled a lot of suppliers I got, and she sells at far lesser price that could give me a good profit. So I later got one at 3,000 naira, one item at 3,000 naira, and I bought 12 pieces to start with. That's 36,000 naira, right? Yeah, but not before I run a test on the business through my strategy. So I noticed people running Facebook ads are selling this item for 10,000 naira, and to attract price sensitive customers, I put my own at 8,000 naira. So what did I do next? So I went online to get more information about this item. I read about it, how people will use it, what benefit will it be for children, and I got promotional videos for it. So as a content creator myself, I do Yoruba content creation, and I quickly did a voiceover advert on it, and I shared it on Facebook and TikTok. And that's my own advertising strategy. So I forgot about this for a day or so and started looking for when my first customer will come. And it came, I think, the third day. A lady messaged me through a WhatsApp number I added to the video advert, and that was it. She demanded, or she needed to. But there was a challenge. You may wonder, what's the challenge? Our place was so far from where my supplier is. I think she's at Ibafo in Ogun State, and I felt like this delivery money will finish me. I asked all the riders I knew willing to go there. Many were saying 10,000 naira to deliver. Well, I actually got one who says will take 7,000 naira. So if you remove 7,000 naira from two items, the woman is buying at 8,000 naira. That's like I'll be left with 9,000 naira out of 16,000 naira. So if I remove the cost of the items at 6,000 naira for two, I'll be left with just 3,000 naira. So I felt like this is not a good gain at all. I then told the woman to sell just two for me first, and bargain with the buyer that her place is far. She should spare 4,000 extra for delivery, and I'll pay the rest. She agreed. And that's how she paid 20,000 naira. And the woman supplied two pieces at 6,000 naira. So I got two. 6,000 and 3,000 each. So out of the 20,000 this woman gave me, I gave 7,000 to the rider, and I was left with 7,000 as a profit. So I gave 7,000 to the rider. I bought it at 6,000. That's 13,000 naira. So I was left with 7,000. So it's a good profit. So seeing what I've gained now, I then add for my first order, which is the big news of this post. So before collecting the item from my customer, I kept the names and numbers of people that, contacted me through WhatsApp. That said, we need this thing. We saw it in one of your videos. How do we get it? So I was like, I cannot deliver now. Can you give me your number and, your address probably? But in the next few days, I'll contact you. I'll let you know when I'm sending. So that was the trick I was employing. So I kept writing in. So I was like, okay, with the high cost of fuel and all these things, how will I supply to some places in Lagos, in Owerri, in Port Harcourt? I don't have delivery agent like some of these e-commerce guys. So I then sat down and look at the closest place to where I'm living and where the demand is much. And that is Osun in Osogbo, the state capital. I actually live in Ile-Ife. So a lot of people came from Osogbo that said that they needed this. So what did I do next? I collected the number, like I said. So I then made my order of 12 pieces. Yeah, so I think it got to me the second day from Lagos, and I paid 36,000 naira to the woman. Then I paid 3,000 naira for delivery, making 39,000 naira. So the second day, I went to the park where they used to bring some of the goods that come from Lagos. I collected immediately, and a day before, or probably hours before, I've messaged all the people in Oshogo that the products I'll be sending them this morning. They all agree, like, okay, send it, send it, send it. So another smart strategy I did was that I told one of the customers who I knew that I was so much interested that, yeah, I'm sending to other customers in Oshogbo. Can you please help me hold it, collect, pick your own, and I will give your number to the rest of the customer to come and pick from you at your shop. And he's a good idea, and he found it very interesting. Like, okay, no problem. So I wrote the name of each customers on those items. So I shared the guy's number with them. So I paid 1,000 naira to send it to Oshogbo, and that was it. So all I spent on getting this stuff was 40,000 naira, and I was selling at 7,000. Yeah, I actually reduced it from 8,000 naira. So if you calculate 7,005 in 12 places, that will amount to 90,000 naira, and I spent 40,000 naira in delivery and buying the product. So, and the funniest thing is that immediately the product landed in Oshogbo, the first guy paid his money. I called the others to go and pick from him, and they all transferred to me. And in less than 12 hours, I got all the money. I sold all the 12, and I had 90,000 naira in my account. Yeah, this is quite innovative. It opened my eyes to what some of these guys who are actually in e-commerce have been enjoying. So, and I've been doing this for weeks now. What I do is that I just look for a time where I know I can deliver to easily, and I get their list. Then I make my order and I supply, and it has been doing so fine. So the strategy is to find people that need something, you order and distribute. So if you want to know about this product, kindly hold your 5,000 naira. I will show you where to buy from, the price you can get it cheaper, and of course where to market to, how to market it, and of course how you can make good money from it entirely by consulting for just 30 minutes. So if you're interested, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me or check the YouTube description box where you have all the details of how to begin. Well, I hope we have learned one or two things from this idea, and of course I must tell you, e-commerce is a good business, is money spinner. You just look for any hot products in town, get a supplier. You don't even need to supply from, get from China, get from online stores abroad and all that. You can go to Lagos and get some of these things, and you can sell to people online. If you want to do it big, you learn how to run Facebook ad. You learn how to market it on Instagram. Well, and if you don't have money yet, you can market by words of mouth. You can tell friends. You can go to you can target certain customers. Let's say you have like kids product now. You can target schools. Yeah, go to schools, market this product to them. If there's a demand, you go and pick, and you'll be making your money easily. E-commerce is a very good niche for people who want to start small business ideas, and this is one of those things that you can do with as small as 40,000. I spent 40,000 on it, and I earned 50,000. So all right guys, thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, why don't you subscribe, like this video, and share to friends so that YouTube can suggest this video to a lot of new people on YouTube who are searching for business ideas they can start in Nigeria. I do this on this channel, and I also grant interview to small business owners so that they can share the idea and experience of running small businesses in Nigeria, and as a way to learn from the doers. All right guys, thank you very much for watching. God bless you.